There are so many ways to make potatoes, but this one will have you getting rave reviews. Pesto Asiago Smashed Potatoes are easy to make and bursting with flavor. Loaded with fragrant pesto and a kick of Asiago cheese, they may just be your new go-to side dish. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, it's time to bake some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees and get a large pot of water boiling on the stove. Carefully place 8 red potatoes into the water, I used a skimmer, and let them boil about 12 to 15 minutes or until fork tender. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil on a sheet pan and spread to coat the sheet. Make sure to season the sheet as well with some fresh black pepper and salt so that the bottoms are seasoned as well. Carefully place the potatoes onto the sheet pan to get ready for smashing. You can use various methods to smash them, like a spatula, a bench scraper, or just a plain old fork. If you're feeling frustrated, I'm sure a closed fist might work too. Then it's time to add the pesto. You can see that it's got a lot of oil to it, and that's a good thing for our purposes. Give it a bit of a stir and place a dollop on top of the potatoes. Using a silicone brush, brush the pesto evenly over top of the potatoes. Place them in the oven for 18 minutes to bake. Pull them out of the oven and it's time to top with the Asiago. Just a few shreds over each one and then back into the oven for 2 to 3 more minutes until the cheese is melted and you're ready to serve. Pesto Asiago Smashed Potatoes are overflowing with gorgeous flavor in every bite. The basil-y goodness of the pesto topped with a sharp bite of Asiago cheese is sure to please picky to sophisticated tastes. Make your next dinner something special. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.